This is a video about Tesla Supercharger at the Giga Factory Berlin. As you see here, there is 19 stalls at the Giga Factory Berlin. Also, what Tesla has installed are cubicles for toilets. They can be opened by credit card only, amazing function, but also vending machines, including a microwave. As you also can see, very close by is the Giga Factory, and you see all the employees parking available. This is a great supercharging station for all you Tesla fans, as you can see the development of the Giga Factory Berlin. The charging station is prepared for future non-Teslas, as each charging station has been marked so that they can select and charge. I rate this 6 out of 10, as there is not many amenities around, but a 9 out of 10 if you're a Tesla fan. Thank you very much, Second Jesse. Now you know.